I got a package again. Now you might know what. Hang on, I'm gonna switch hands for the camera. Now you might know what this is based on one of my posts. But let's just open it and see what it is. Not from Target, by the way, from eBay. Okay, let's get this open now. Please excuse me if I'm in any of the shots, except for my hand. Just kind of how it's gonna go. I think if I just... This is such a unique box. I mean, like... This is, I guess, a whole box. This is a whole box. I can't pull it out. Oh, wait, I'm getting there. Hang on. Editor. Can you cut to the scene where I get everything out? Or... at least, like, everything. You know what I mean, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, well, as you can see, you got it unboxed. Well, let's look at this first. An HD11 hydrogen gas detector. Does look pretty beat up. I don't even know what this is. Actually, no, I do. I guess it just, I guess it says HD11. I prefer MD11. I'm just joking. Okay, so I'm going to put the stuff I find on my bed here. Okay, I got that out. I'm sorry for this not being very down. It's the farthest this tripod will go. Oh, never mind. I found it. Okay. Okay, so. Boom! Look at this. This is a BG12. First actual BG12 I have in my collection. I do have, I have two, but they're the fake Chinese knockoff ones you can buy on Amazon. So, pretty cool right there. Something I already have. Another SystemSensor Spectrular Advance. Okay, that screw is still on. Wait. Never mind. SystemSensor P2R. I also have this. This model is 3093. I have it 2794 or whatever. 2704. 2709. I forgot. Here is a really dusty, and I mean dusty, P2RK. Oh, that's a different model. It has a whole resistor, dude. Whoa, I'm falling backwards. I think there is one or two more things. Yep, right there. Looks like a smoke detector. But the main thing is right there. You see the edges of it. I'm just gonna take it off in 3, 2, 1. Don't mind this thing. I don't even know what this thing is. Hang on. There you go. 3, 2, 1. An MS-2, baby. Okay, so there is a smoke detector. Pigtail wires. Pretty cool. Okay, there's some bubble wrap, and there it is. For fire alarm panel in I'm not even gonna read that. And FireLite MS-2. Okay, I'm gonna read this. I don't even know what that says. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit. Okay, so that... Oh, there it goes. Okay. There it is. Okay. No batteries. But that's okay. I can buy some batteries. That's pretty cool, though. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out, and I will get back to you guys in a second. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to take this phone on the tripod. Here is my new collection. So here is a smoke detector. A lot of these need to be undusted. Like this is probably going to go off within the first 5 seconds of putting it on. Just because of how it has the eye, so I'm pretty sure this is an ionization. Oh, photoelectric, never mind. So that's pretty cool. So that's the smoke detector. Something's loose in there. I'm not sure if you can hear that. There's the terminals. It's a 2-wire. That's that. And this is my new system sensor. 75 candela. Here's the back of it. Okay, it doesn't have 7, 8, 9, but my other one does, I think. So I'll definitely be using that one to code it. But this is an MS-2, so I don't think it really codes. And then here's this amazing BG12. I'm gonna pull it. Oh, amazing sounding. Okay, so I need an axe wrench. I think that's what you call it for this one. And then there's a system sensor. BR2K, it says. System Sensor Advanced BR2K. This one's a 3084. And it needs a good wiping. And I mean a good wiping. I mean, this thing is not beat up, but it is dusty. Dusty. And then this is a... Oh, it opens. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. Okay, well, there's some of the circuitry inside. I wonder if this is a, you can't really wire anything to it. There's something. So I wonder if this is like something you put batteries in, or if it actually hooks up to the panel, which I assume it would, because it came with the panel. And then, of course, you have the panel, the FireLite MS-2. I don't really know what that's about, but he's trying to get my attention about something. And this is just trying to come out. This is trying its best. And then, of course, you have all your stuff right here. Don't know what half of any of that means. Except for MS-2. I know what that means. So I'm gonna hook this up to power, and we'll, see what happens with it. I can't put it up, hook it up to power today, just because we're not sure if it takes a 3-prong or a 2-prong wiring source. So we're gonna, and when I say we, I mean me and my dad. We're gonna try and figure out and see what this one takes, and then we'll get that over, so we can hook this up to power. Try out a few devices. I will be hooking this up to, this says used, but there's no like holes for the wires to go through. That's pretty crowded, rusty. But what is that stuff? What is that? Anyway, so I'm gonna get this hooked up to power, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so I think I have set up the BG12 to the MS-2 here. I think that's good wiring. We'll see. There's no battery, so it should go into, it says system trouble and power trouble. I think there might be a knack fault, I swear, if there is, but no, I think there is a system trouble and a power trouble. We'll see. So here I'm gonna set up. The piezo is really loud. I don't know. I've never heard the piezo in person, but it's loud. So it should be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and acknowledge it. So there is a knack fault. Okay, I'm gonna try and pull this and just see what happens. Here, I'm gonna set you up on this tripod. Okay, so I tested it. It does work, but you guys didn't see it, so I'm gonna do it again. The BG12 here, make sure I'm recording, which I am. It's normal. I'm gonna flip it down. You gotta look right here where those red things are, so. Okay, so I acknowledged it. Oh my gosh, dude. That is such a loud piezo. It's making me nauseous. I don't even know how. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset it. Do not mind my dirty fingernail. So it's gonna go back into system trouble and power trouble and knack fault. Just gotta wait for it. It should click. I have. Oh, dude, I swear I smelled burnt plastic. I still smell it. I think we're okay though. Which could have been. So I'm gonna turn it off so I can wire some more stuff up to it. Okay, so it's all wired up. As you see here, there is no knack faults anymore, which is because I put a notification appliance to it. Originally, there was a knack fault because there wasn't a signaling device. So just to clear that up. There is a system trouble and power trouble because there is no batteries in, as you can see. Battery, LED 1, battery. So I do have it hooked up to my system sensor right here. We're gonna go ahead and test it in 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, there is no audible silence. I'm gonna go ahead and reset it. That'll come back on. Clicks and then. So all I can do right now is just acknowledge it. It's a little hard to close my panel for some reason. Oh, wait. Alright, so that's what it looks like. FireLite MS-10 or MS-2. This is temporary. This wire's just gonna be going over to here. You know. And this is just, you know, going along here. Up and up. This is all temporary. I will make a better wiring job. This will most likely be going around this door frame, coming down and going into there, this little hole. So yeah, I'm gonna change this to code 3. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not sure if this will go into system trouble if I take this off. I think it will. But we'll see. I guess it's already in trouble, so I don't know. I just gotta change this to code 3 and then yeah. Okay, it's now set on code 3. I'm just gonna do a quick, let me see what walk test is about. Hang on, I'm gonna grab the manual here. So we could go through here. lock test 39. Okay, hang on. Okay, so I read a bit of it. I'm just gonna 1, 2. I'm just gonna, whoops. Oh, dude, that scared me. How do I stop it? Okay, I just took it down. Okay, so I'm clearly not. Okay, it scared the bonkers out of me. Was not expecting that. I swear. Bro, just get on there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's unboxing video. I guess I unboxed this yesterday, but I got everything wired up today. 9/12. So, this is, again, I said temporary wiring. I think I will add another alarm somewhere in my room. I don't know where. And maybe even another pull station as it is a 2-zone, and I've only used one so far. I do need another resistor though for if I'm gonna wire up another alarm. So, not sure yet where that next alarm is going to be, but yeah, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.